Got a heated blanket that needs washing, but you're worried about ruining it? Totally fair. These blankets are cozy lifesavers in winter, but because they have electrical wiring inside, cleaning them the wrong way can be risky. So today, let's go over exactly how to wash a heated blanket safely without damaging it. Start by checking the care label. Every heated blanket is a little different. Some are machine washable, others need hand washing. The label will tell you what's safe for yours. Before anything else, unplug the blanket and remove the control cord or connector. This step is crucial. Never wash the blanket with the cord still attached. Once that's done, lay it flat and check for visible stains or spots. If you find any, pre-treat them first. To pre-treat, mix a small amount of mild detergent with cool water. Use a soft cloth or brush to gently scrub the stained area. Avoid harsh rubbing so you don't damage the fabric or wiring. If your blanket is machine washable, place it in a washer with enough space for it to move freely. Choose the delicate or gentle cycle and use cold or lukewarm water. Add only a small amount of mild detergent. Too much soap leaves residue and can affect heating performance. Avoid bleach, fabric softeners, or harsh cleaners. If the care label says hand wash only, fill a bathtub or basin with cool or lukewarm water and a bit of detergent. Submerge the blanket and gently move it around with your hands. Do not twist, wring, or scrub hard. Once you're done, rinse thoroughly with clean water until all soap is gone. Now, drying is the most important part. Never use high heat because that can melt insulation or damage wiring. If your blanket is dryer safe, place it in the dryer on a low heat or air dry setting. Let it run for about 10 to 15 minutes to remove surface moisture, then take it out and let it air dry completely. Lay it flat on a towel or hang it evenly over a clothesline in a shaded area. Avoid hanging it by one edge, as that can stretch the fabric and wiring. If your blanket isn't dryer safe, air drying is the way to go. Lay it flat on a large towel or drying rack and flip it occasionally to help both sides dry evenly. It might take several hours, but it keeps your blanket safe and intact. Never use a hairdryer, heater, or iron to speed it up. Let it dry naturally and patiently. When it's fully dry, inspect the blanket carefully. Look for frayed fabric, lumps, or uneven wiring. Make sure the plug and connector area are completely dry before reattaching anything. If you notice damage or the wiring feels off, don't plug it in until it's checked. Safety first. If everything looks fine, reconnect the control cord and test it. Turn it on for a few minutes to make sure it heats evenly. If it works well, your heated blanket is clean, safe, and ready to use again. Here's a quick maintenance tip. You don't need to wash your heated blanket too often. Once or twice a season is usually enough unless it's visibly dirty. Between washes, keep it fresh by using a removable cover or airing it out occasionally. This reduces wear and keeps it smelling clean. When storing your heated blanket, fold it loosely. Avoid sharp creases or tight rolls that can stress the wiring. Store it in a dry, cool place, away from moisture or direct sunlight. Never stack heavy items on top. If your blanket just smells a little musty or has light stains, you can refresh it without a full wash. Mix equal parts water and white vinegar, lightly spray it on the surface, and let it air dry completely before plugging it back in. The vinegar neutralizes odors naturally. Let's do a quick recap. Unplug and detach the control cord. Check the care label. Pre-treat any stains. Wash gently with mild detergent in cold or lukewarm water. Avoid bleach and fabric softeners. Dry on low heat for a short time or air dry completely. Inspect before plugging back in. Store it folded loosely in a dry place. Follow these steps and your heated blanket will stay soft, clean, and safe for many cozy nights ahead. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more simple home care guides. Thanks for watching and stay warm and comfortable.